deep. They send the call, no need to creep. No kitchen mess, no back-end fight. They use an API clean and right. Like menus held in waiters' hands, with options made from distant lands. You point and click, request your share. The API runs here and there. Behind the scenes, the chefs all stir, with data pots that quietly purr. You don't go in, you just declare, bring me users, and it's there. The waiter knows just what to say, to fetch your data night or day. Secure and swift, no need to pry. That's the job of the smart API. So next time code must make a call, don't panic, shout, or hit a wall. Just use the path, don't go astray. Speak to the API Café code.